It all starts here. Our state-of-the-art harvesters efficiently separate the freshly grown potatoes from the earth,
pulling the potatoes from the rich soil onto the cleaning conveyors. Fresh from the field, the potatoes tumble over the vibrating grate, shaking off excess soil before entering the factory supply chain.
From the field to the factory, we ensure only the freshest potatoes make it into our chips.
The process begins the moment our trucks arrive. After a thorough wash, the potatoes are transported via conveyor to the automated size grater.
After frying, the golden chips are transferred to the seasoning drum. The rotational movement ensures every chip is coated evenly with the flavor powder.
Using vertical form fill seal technology, the bags are quickly inflated with nitrogen, filled with chips, and sealed tight.